What's up? Can a low come up in your crib? Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick.
Here's the chance, CJ.
What you want done to your melon?
I think Beverly would have approved. I think Beverly would have approved.